So for this question, there's going to be actually a new equation that was put up in the equation sheet. So if you guys go to modern physics, and there's one equation in the end before the last one, which is capital N is equal to NO E minus lambda T. So capital N is the current amount, and NO is the initial amount. Now initially we have, or initial or original, we have X. But then currently we just have 1/3 of X. Okay, so now we know that capital N is going to be X over 3, while NO is going to be just an X E minus lambda T. Now you see how all the choices are in terms of ln. That means we actually have to be applying ln to both sides. So I'm going to have ln X over 3 is equal to ln X E minus lambda T. Now ln and E will simply, whatever is on the E as a power will go down. So now we're going to have ln X over 3 minus lambda T, and the E will disappear and just ln X will remain. Okay, and now what I could do is I could say ln of X over 3 over ln of X is equal negative lambda T. Now you should know that ln of A over ln of B is same thing as ln of A over B. That means I will turn ln of X over 3 over ln of X into just ln X over 3 over X, which equals to negative lambda T. And that should be my answer, which is going to be choice B. Okay.